Hello again, I'm Francis McShane, and I'm going to show you how to make a gridded window with my extension Window Plus for SketchUp. Again, you start the program by going to the extensions menu, Window Plus, create a single window. Doesn't really matter what you call it, you can call it what you like, but we'll call this one B1 for instance. And again, I'll just accept the defaults initially. Pop that window in here, and again we'll edit it, we'll make it a bit bigger, and maybe center it, make it look a bit nicer. And in order to make a gridded window, you go to transoms and mullions, and there's a little explanation there. You can go past that for now because I know it, and we'll accept the defaults here just to see what happens. Equally spaced, and it's made a single transom, a single mullion, equally spaced. We'll see what happens if we make it with two mullions. And there, so you can see, I think you get the idea. You can increase the number of transoms and mullions to suit your project, but your project might not want the transoms and mullions equally spaced. That's not a problem. We can pick tartan grid, and you can do it either by distance or by fraction. I like fraction the best. And the first one is enter the fraction from the head down to transom 1. So that's the distance from the top of the window down to the first transom in terms of a fraction of the overall distance. And I think half is interesting, maybe a third's better. So we'll go for that. And then the distance or fraction from the left hand jamb to the first mullion. And I'm reckoning maybe a quarter is a good distance. And then from the first mullion to the second mullion, maybe half the width of the window. It doesn't have to be that, but that probably looks good. Oops. And so it makes a window where the transom is a third of the way down, the first mullion is a quarter of the way over, and the second mullion is 3/4 of the way over. So that's a quarter plus a half. You may want to add casements, and so I'm thinking maybe 4, 2 and 6 would look good as casements. I mean opening casements. So 4 was a fixed casement, we'll turn it into an opening casement. 2 was fixed, we'll turn it into an opening. And 6 was fixed, we'll turn that into an opening. And there you have it. You have 4, 2 and 6 are now opening casements. We'll add a sill. Maybe a timber sill. And we'll cut the opening. So it might actually be interesting also to turn on the arrows. So that's casement number 2. I think that would be best pointing up. Casement number 4, left is good. That's 6, right. That would be good. So there you have it. Casement 4 arrow left, up, and then right. Thanks for watching.